Nothing says fresh and vibrant like a bowl of colorful fruit salad. It's a delightful treat any time of year, a burst of sunshine on your plate. Whether it's a hot summer day or a cozy winter evening, fruit salad fits the bill. This simple pleasure is more than just a dessert, it's a celebration of nature's bounty. Each fruit brings its unique set of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to the table. Take strawberries, for instance, bursting with vitamin C, essential for a healthy immune system. Then there's the potassium-rich banana, supporting healthy blood pressure. Blueberries, often dubbed a superfood, are packed with antioxidants, fighting harmful free radicals in our bodies. And let's not forget the fiber content, aiding digestion and promoting a feeling of fullness. The natural sugars in fruits provide an energy boost without the crash associated with processed sweets. This makes fruit salad an excellent choice for a quick snack or a healthy dessert option. Whether you're a health enthusiast or simply looking for a delicious and convenient treat, fruit salad is an excellent choice. It's easy to make, customizable to your liking, and always a crowd pleaser. So let's dive into the world of fruit salads and discover how to create your perfect bowl of goodness. Today's fruit salad is a celebration of color and flavor. We'll start with ruby red strawberries, plump and juicy, their sweet aroma filling your kitchen as you slice. Next come blueberries, tiny jewels of flavor, bursting with antioxidants and a touch of tartness. For a tropical twist, we'll add chunks of golden pineapple, their tangy sweetness, a welcome contrast. And no fruit salad is complete without the vibrant orange hues of mandarin segments. Their juicy sweetness, a burst of sunshine in every bite. Finally, we'll add slices of kiwi, their emerald green flesh offering a refreshing tartness that balances the sweetness of the other fruits. Each fruit is a star in its own right, but together they create a symphony of flavors that is both refreshing and satisfying. But our fruit salad needs more than just fruit to reach its full potential. We'll use a touch of honey, its golden sweetness enhancing the natural flavors of the fruit. A squeeze of fresh lime juice will add a bright citrusy tang that cuts through the sweetness and keeps the flavors vibrant. And for a final touch of elegance, we'll garnish our salad with fresh mint leaves. Their cool, refreshing flavor adds a touch of sophistication and complements the sweetness of the fruit perfectly. These simple ingredients, when combined with care, elevate our fruit salad from ordinary to extraordinary. Before we begin assembling our masterpiece, it's important to prepare our ingredients properly. Start by washing all the fruit thoroughly under cold running water. This removes any dirt or debris and ensures that our salad is clean and safe to eat. Next, we'll hull the strawberries, removing the green leafy tops with a sharp knife. Then, we'll slice the strawberries into halves or quarters, depending on their size. For the blueberries, a quick rinse is all they need before they're ready to join the party. The pineapple requires a bit more attention. Using a sharp knife, carefully cut off the top and bottom of the pineapple, then slice off the tough outer skin. Once peeled, cut the pineapple into bite-sized chunks, removing the hard core in the center. With our fruit prepped and ready, we can move on to the main event, assembling our fruit salad. Stay tuned for the next act, where we'll bring all these delicious elements together. Now that our pineapple is prepped, let's turn our attention to the remaining fruits. The mandarin oranges, with their segments already perfectly portioned by nature, require a gentle touch. Simply peel away the outer skin, revealing the glistening, juicy segments within. Separate the segments carefully, ensuring none of the precious juice escapes. These little bursts of sunshine will add a delightful sweetness and a vibrant pop of color to our salad. Next up, the kiwi, with its vibrant green flesh and tiny black seeds, adds a welcome tartness to our symphony of flavors. Hold the kiwi firmly and carefully peel away the fuzzy brown skin with a sharp knife. Once peeled, slice the kiwi into rounds, their emerald green hue a beautiful contrast against the other fruits. Remember, we're aiming for a mix of textures in our salad, so some fruits will be chopped into smaller pieces, while others remain in larger chunks. This variety adds to the overall enjoyment of each bite. Now, for the apple, we'll use a different technique. First, cut the apple into quarters, then carefully remove the core and seeds from each quarter. Next, slice each quarter into thin wedges, their crisp texture adding a satisfying crunch to our salad. As you work, remember to treat each fruit with care. A sharp knife and a gentle touch will ensure that your fruit salad is both beautiful and delicious. Section 3. Creating a symphony of textures. Our final fruit, the banana, adds a creamy sweetness and a soft texture that contrasts beautifully with the other fruits. Peel the banana and slice it into rounds, their pale yellow hue a subtle addition to our colorful bowl. As you slice, you'll notice the banana browning slightly. This is a natural oxidation process and won't affect the flavor of our salad. With all our fruits prepped and ready, it's time to combine them in a large mixing bowl. Gently fold the fruits together, being careful not to crush or bruise them. Our goal is to create a harmonious blend of colors, textures, and flavors. The key is to distribute the fruits evenly, ensuring that each bite is a delightful explosion of freshness. As you mix, take a moment to appreciate the vibrant colors and enticing aromas filling your kitchen. This is the magic of fruit salad, a simple yet satisfying dish that celebrates the bounty of nature. Section 1. The Honey Lime Kiss. Our fruit salad is nearly complete, but it needs one final touch to elevate it to the extraordinary. A simple dressing made with just 2 ingredients will enhance the natural sweetness of the fruits and add a bright, citrusy tang that balances the flavors perfectly. In a small bowl, combine a tablespoon of honey, its golden hue promising a touch of sweetness, with the juice of a freshly squeezed lime. The lime, with its vibrant acidity, will cut through the sweetness of the honey and add a refreshing zest to our salad. Whisk the honey and lime juice together until they are well combined, creating a smooth and glossy dressing that will coat the fruit beautifully. The aroma of citrus will mingle with the sweet scent of honey, a tantalizing preview of the flavors to come. Section 2. Tossing with care. Now comes the crucial part, dressing our fruit salad. Drizzle the honey lime dressing over the fruit, ensuring that it coats all the pieces evenly. You don't want to drown the fruit, just give it a light coating to enhance its natural flavors. Using a large spoon or spatula, gently toss the fruit salad, ensuring that the dressing is evenly distributed. Be careful not to be too rough, as we don't want to crush the delicate fruit. The goal is to coat each piece with a thin layer of the honey lime dressing, allowing the flavors to meld and marry. As you toss, the vibrant colors of the fruit will swirl and blend, creating a visually stunning masterpiece. Take a moment to inhale the intoxicating aroma that fills your kitchen. The sweet scent of ripe fruit, the tangy zest of lime, and the delicate floral notes of honey combine to create a sensory symphony that is simply irresistible. Your taste buds will be tantalized by the explosion of flavors in each bite, the juicy sweetness of the strawberries, the tangy burst of the pineapple, the refreshing tartness of the kiwi, all enhanced by the honey lime dressing. Our fruit salad is now ready to take center stage. Carefully transfer it to a beautiful serving bowl, its vibrant colors and enticing aroma promising a delightful culinary experience. A simple fruit salad bursting with natural flavors is a treat in itself, but with a little extra effort we can elevate it to a work of art, a feast for both the eyes and the palate. A few finishing touches can transform our creation into a showstopper, worthy of any occasion. Remember those fresh mint leaves we set aside? Now is the time to use them. Gently tear the leaves into smaller pieces and scatter them over the fruit salad. The vibrant green of the mint leaves will contrast beautifully with the colors of the fruit, adding a touch of freshness and visual appeal. For an extra touch of indulgence, consider adding a dollop of Greek yogurt or a sprinkle of granola to your fruit salad. The creamy tanginess of the yogurt complements the sweetness of the fruit, while the crunchy granola adds a satisfying textural contrast. And there you have it. A stunning fruit salad, bursting with flavor, color, and texture. It's a dish that is as beautiful as it is delicious, a testament to the simple pleasures of fresh, wholesome ingredients. Serve your fruit salad immediately, or chill it in the refrigerator for later. It's a versatile dish that can be enjoyed as a light and refreshing breakfast, a healthy snack, or a guilt-free dessert. Whether you're sharing it with family and friends or simply enjoying a quiet moment of indulgence, our fruit salad is sure to delight. It's a celebration of the bounty of nature, a symphony of flavors and textures that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you feeling refreshed and satisfied. So there you have it, our vibrant and delicious fruit salad is ready to be enjoyed. It's a recipe that's easy to follow, even for beginner cooks. And the beauty of it is, you can adapt it to your liking. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fruit combinations, add a sprinkle of your favorite nuts, or even a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for extra sweetness. Remember, the key to a great fruit salad is using fresh, ripe ingredients. Seasonal fruits are always a good choice, but don't hesitate to mix and match to create your own signature blend. Whether you're a fan of the classics like strawberries and blueberries, or you prefer something more exotic like mango or passion fruit, let your taste buds guide you. Fruit salad is not just a treat for your taste buds, it's also a wonderful way to nourish your body with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's a guilt-free indulgence that you can enjoy any time of day. So go ahead, gather your favorite fruits, and create your own masterpiece. Share the joy of this healthy and delicious treat with your family and friends. And remember, the best fruit salad is the one that makes you smile. Thanks for joining me on this fruity adventure. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes, and share your creations with us in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking!